How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we're going to be going over our K-Force 36 TIR. When you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables. Now you'll notice a connector here, and that's to be used with our optional Supreme control. And then you'll have your main power cables, and then you have your aux cable here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control. Now we do have our standard Supreme control box and our handheld Supreme control box. For example, I'm going to be using our standard Supreme, and then I'll hop back and show you the features of our handheld. So let's go over how to get your light bar hooked up. So when you run your light bar using our Supreme control, you'll simply plug in your connector to your Supreme control box and then hook up your main power cables. So I have my red cable hooked up to my positive and my black cable hooked to my negative. Now I did bring a standard red-blue unit with me, and all of our full-size light bars come standard with 2 takedowns, 2 alleys, and an amber traffic advisor. But we do offer this light bar in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. And we even have our customize a light bar tool where you can lay out exactly what colors you want in your light bar as well. So you'll see that you have your slide switch here on your Supreme control. So the first position will control the back of your light bar, the second position will activate the front of your light bar, and the third position will activate your light bar in 360 mode. So you can easily access those 3 modes off of your slide switch here. And then you have your pattern changer, so you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then this light bar has memory recall, so you can turn your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you can also program different flash patterns for the different modes. So if you go back to your back mode and you want to program a pattern here, and then your front mode, you can program a pattern there as well. So the light bar will remember up to 3 flash patterns. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here. So if you hold your pattern button down for 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its steady burn mode. And then if you hold the pattern button down for 5 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those 2 modes off of your flash pattern switch. Now let's go over your takedown, alley, and cruise functions. So you'll see that you have your takedown, alley, and cruise functions here. Now these buttons will activate these modules in steady burn. So you'll see that you have your takedowns, alleys, and your 4-corner cruise modules. And then when these buttons are deactivated, they will go back to flashing with your light bar. And then we do offer a multicolor upgrade here for our takedowns and alleys to where they will flash the warning color of your light bar. And then when you activate these functions, they will go steady burn white. Now let's go over your traffic advisor and aux function. So I went ahead and turned my light bar around here to show you the traffic advisor. Now you'll see that all of our full-size light bars come standard with an amber traffic advisor, and we do offer a multicolor upgrade here to where these modules will flash the warning light bar color ordered, and then when you activate your traffic advisor, they will go amber. And then you'll see on your Supreme control that you can go center out, you can go right left, and left right, which are all easily accessible on your Supreme control. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting, and you'll use your extra cable harness to hook those lights up as well. So you'll see the main difference with our handheld Supreme control is it's more compact handheld design, and then you'll see the slide switches replaced with 3 buttons here. So you can still activate your back mode, your front mode, and your 360 mode, and then you still have your pattern button, you have your takedowns, your alleys, your traffic advising functions, and your cruise mode. And then finally you have your aux button here to hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice underneath your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even more moisture protection. And then you'll see that your light bar feet are adjustable here along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then we have our universal gutter mount brackets as an option, and then we have a couple permanent mounting options as well. So you'll see with our permanent mount stud brackets that you'll use your existing hardware from your light bar feet to mount these brackets like so. In this unit we'll use 4 permanent mount stud brackets. Or we also have our headache rack brackets, which you can connect your light bar to and then sandwich on your headache rack like so. So that covers all of the features of our K-Force 36 TIR. Make sure to check out our interactive player right below our product pictures, and also our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.